Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. It's a beautiful sunny day on the Off-Grid Homestead. The ticks are out, so we had to take Michelle in. Unfortunately, it's sad, but we can't let her run and play in this beautiful yard. There was a tick right in a tall blade of grass right here, and I had to pull it out and kill it. So we can watch, but she doesn't know. So that's sad. I mean, we got this beautiful yard, but the ticks are so bad. I got the log splitter uncovered. I want to split the rest of this wood. Today's our day off, Monday. We had to do some running this morning and take care of some business. But I hopefully have enough gas. I put the battery on the charger. So I want to split. I hope to get all this done right now. Let me take you up through the garden path here and show you. I don't know, I've lived in Michigan my whole life and I've never seen such a thing. The trees are destroyed, our fruit trees. And our garden, I know a lot of people say, don't till your garden, but we've lost it, guys. We've lost it. These things, they took hold underground. They have these runners underground and we lost our garden. It's just, there's no, if we're going to plant, we're going to have to till. Even the walkways covered in grass, it's all gone. The planting beds are completely, there's no way I can recover this by hand. Look at this. Does that show up on camera as bad as it looks to the eyes? So I think I'm going to plant in the greenhouse and raise beds and be done with, I'm going to have to let this go to nature. It's just, all that work, but I don't think we can do it. Look at that one. That one's a complete loss. It's a lawn again. There's no way we're doing that by hand. It's a loss. Now, what happened here, everything this year got killed. The trees, this is the one I brought back from home, from Mom and Dad. Well, something snipped it. Well, that's a sad thing. Something ate it. Ugh. Well, it did have something coming up, and it got ate off. 2 trees grew, and my big trees that I can't even get my hand around it, they're so big, have died off entirely. They started sprouting, budding, and then the buds got froze. We've had too many freezing days and nights. All the buds froze and died. Everything is killed. I don't know if they can recover. On the new growth, it's all dead. It all froze and died. And there's some growth coming out of the base. So it's alive, but it sets us back 7 years. This would have been bearing fruit this year. This one, beautiful big tree. It all died, and look at the wood. The wood split and cracked this winter. It burst open. Look at that. Every single branch, it's all cracked and burst open. I've never seen such a thing. Does that show up? I don't know if you can see it. Ugh, it's too bright out. The camera isn't showing it. I can't see my monitor. I can't tell if you can see that or not. The wood burst open. There's a little bit down here, but I lost 7 years. It takes 7 years for your trees to bear fruit, and it's all gone. I've never seen such a thing. I don't think it's going to come back. Look at this. I don't know, with the sun and the shadows, it's split. It's all split and cracked. I've never seen such a thing. In all my years in Michigan, all my trees have frozen and died. This one here, nothing. Now sadly that one, something's eating it off at the base. So even though nature is taking over and killing off what's left. Here, this one, the only thing alive is at the bottom. I'm going to have to put something around it to protect it from the rabbits. That's it. So we're going to reseed. I'm gonna have to grow raised beds here in this greenhouse. That's it. We're just gonna have to start over. That is what it is. Maybe one day we can try to take over and build a garden again, but we lost it. This is really hard to eradicate once it takes hold. We were losing the battle last year. It was rough. So, you know, we still eating out of it though from last year. We're still eating a lot of stuff from it. But I think what I'm going to do is just pull out my stakes, pull out all the markers, and let it go. We're going to have to restart in the apple orchard and the the orchard. We've only got 2 trees left. It was a harsh year. Tell me if you've ever seen such a thing, trees popping open like that. Established trees dying. This was their 3rd year here. Here's something else I don't understand. This is our 3rd year asparagus. What am I doing wrong? Now, I've never planted asparagus in my life, so I can't claim to know anything, but this is definitely not right. They're all... I read that you're supposed to not harvest them their 1st year, and you can start harvesting the 2nd and 3rd year and so on, but this is the 3rd year. What's going on here? What am I doing wrong? Anybody got any ideas? I'm be happy to hear from you.